modular that is capable of processing this spoken language more than the written language, and we have, you see, a lot of causes or reasons for that. I'm going to give, for example, a definition for speech acts by Cyril, definitely. The speech acts as the functions of the meaning of the sentence and the utterance of which is, for example, performed. He uses the elocutionary act instead of a speech act when he says that the production of the sentence is spoken is the elocutionary act. Now, aims of the study. The present study aims at manipulating the speech act theory to achieve better understanding of the selected. Okay, I will have 5 minutes. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
5 minutes left.
5 minutes left? Okay, thank you. I appreciate it for you. Okay. Showing how the speech act theory can apply to the text cat in the rain, showing how effectively the text is realized by those speech acts and how successfully their intended elocutionary acts has been conveyed, showing the type of the speech acts that are most used in the, let's say, in the story. Okay, it is hypothesized that the speech act theory can be applied to this story, Cat in the Rain, where various speech acts are used. Also, we have effective teaching requires the use of different types of speech acts with various degrees of acceptance and false. All types of speech are used. The procedures consist of the following steps: giving a theoretical background about the speech acts, choosing a mode of analysis, analyzing the speech acts found in the selection made, classifying the speech acts analyzed, giving some conclusion and recommendations. Also, we have, for example, a new approach that is applied to this model, which is, for example, called selection restrictions. Okay. Limit of the study. The present study will be limited to this text, Hanging Cat in the Rain by Hemingway. Also, the limitation to the number found necessary, the value or the significance of the study. I hope that this study will be beneficial for those researchers, linguists, for example, linguists. Fills gaps in the studies of the shorter stories where the relevance of the speech acts theory also, for example, brings the gap between literature and linguistics, and it provides a significant contribution to research in the language universals as well as the use of speech acts is concerned. Also, we have here the analysis of the data and discussions of the data. The first step in the analysis is to identify Austin's and Cyril's a classification of speech acts theory in Hemingway's Cat in the Rain. Also, we have, a number of, let us say, Cyril's classifications of elocutionary acts. We have, I'm going to abbreviate, because of the shortage of time. So we have the Cyril's classifications. I'm going only to, for example, to mention